In this video, I'm going to run through how you can use your logo to create a bunch of different graphics based off of the design that you already have for your company. First, what you can see here is this little pay-per-click. When you click that, you can grab attachments. So I'm going to download our logo real quick. Then I'm going to hop back into ChatGPT. I'm going to go to the downloads and upload that as a pin. I'm going to say, describe this logo and make sure all the details help with expanding its design so that it stays within the current design style and specs. So what it'll do is it'll eventually take in what it's looking at, and it's going to explain exactly what it's showing. And then you can give it feedback about the logo if it misrepresents it. Like, for instance, it says the boy. I would refer that this as a man versus a boy because this is supposed to be a person, not like a young child. Only revision is it's a man, not a boy. So then that way, and you can see even if I typo, it's going to correct the information. So this is important because you're setting the standard for what ChatGPT is going to understand about this. So the next thing we want to do is we are building a page for a moving industry page. So what I want to do is make a few versions of the logo in relation to a moving company industry service page for marketing. So put the logo in situations where they look like they are helping move a house with boxes and a moving truck, as an example. And what you would hopefully be able to see happen here is images be created. Now, it does help to literally create a prompt itself that says, hey, help me create prompts to generate images, because at that point in time, it's going to say things that are more important, like the definition of what you want the image to be. Do you want it illustrated? Do you want it to look real life? Do you want it black and white? If you want it in colors, what colors do you want? But in general, what you can see here is it created a couple different versions, right? Then let's say we needed feedback. This shows 3 different versions. We need to show just one of the logo moving boxes to help at a house. Show them outside with a moving truck in the background. All one image congruent. Let's make it high definition. And then that way you can start to give it more feedback. Again, ChatGPT can read through the typos. Always best, again, to use a prompt itself. And the way you can do that is creating a prompt and say, hey, you are an image generator, script writer. You help take feedback for images and make it a lot easier for an AI engine to read so that it creates the best image possible. But that's the idea here, is if you wanted to use your logo to create items that sit on the page, then you can do this, and it's a lot easier to generate unique images for your website that are going to help you immediately put them onto the web page. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. It's very straightforward. There's not a lot of unfortunately, there's not a lot of science behind this because AI is doing all the hard work and lifting for us now. But again, if you have any questions on how to do this, just let us know.